trust me, and don't you let nobody pump your.
Hey guys, so I'm just gonna be straightening my hair. This hair is from DSoar hair. I am going to install the clips of me doing the baby hairs on this. Keep in mind I slept without a bonnet and it's been how much days? 3 days now, and my baby hairs are still kind of intact, so I'm gonna insert the footage of how I do it. I'm just gonna like press my hair out because it's a little bit tangly. Not really tangly, it's just a little bit frizzy. Now I don't really have to take my time because it's already straight. This is their body wave hair, 224 inches and a 26 inch. I did go ahead and trim this hair so it's gonna look really nice. I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done how it looks. But I just wanted to talk about my freaking bolt hole glue. So, if you remember when I first made that video of, what was it? It was of how I use bolt hole. Is it how I use bolt hole? I started using bolt hole a little while before I made the video on how does bolt hole really work. That video. My skin was amazing. You guys know I did. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I did a skin routine. And I never changed my skin routine. Sometimes I would stop doing my skin routine, but my skin had never behaved like this. And I know you probably can't see it, so I'm going to zoom in for you to see. But when I would use the bolt hole, I noticed my skin started breaking out. But obviously, it was just like my lace glue. I always use Ghost Bond, and I was perfectly fine. So I wasn't thinking, oh, it's the lace glue causing me to break out. I was just trying to figure out what could make me break out, and yeah. So I stopped using the bolt hole active. I stopped using it, and then I noticed that my forehead was getting like black marks after the pimples would go away. But when I stopped using it, I was not getting these like active ones. Like you can't see it, but I wasn't getting the active ones, which I have right now, and they hurt. So I was like, let me do an experiment and stop using it and use it. If I have snaps of when I stop and show you guys how it's dark marks but it's no bumps, I'm gonna insert it. But yeah, when I would stop using it, there would be no bumps that hurt, and then when I would use it, bumps will come back. So I stopped using it for 2 weeks, and I was just using Got To Be gel, and it went away. And then now I used it to lay this wig down, and yesterday I noticed that the bumps are coming back on my forehead. Keep in mind I only been wearing this frontal for like 3 days, but I was doing the experiment for a good like 2 months. Like I would stop wearing it, the bolt hole active glue, and then I would wear it and then see what happens. And every single time I stop wearing it, the bumps go away, and when I start wearing it again, like a day or two, they come back and they hurt like crazy, and they leave black marks on my forehead. So I do not recommend bolt hole active. If you want to try it, you could try it, but I'm not using it anymore. I'm actually gonna throw it away in the trash because this is not okay. Like, what the hell? Like, that was so frustrating. Like, I went to my dermatologist and everything because I'm like, why is my skin breaking out like that on my forehead? And I guess it's whatever like they use in the ingredients, because you know on the bottle there's no ingredients on the freaking bottle, so it's like you don't even know. I'm not even sure if there are ingredients on the bottle, so let me not say that. But whatever the fuck new ingredients they got, that's not it. Like, for real, that shit got my forehead breaking out. Like, I really don't have time for this. I just wanted to say that because I know I did that video of like bolt hole, like that's crazy. And then it was so freaking hot when I was doing my baby hairs the other night. My wig slid back. So right now my wig is back here, like right here, when it's supposed to be where the baby hair is, right there. But I ain't even finna be mad about it. Like, to be honest, that's just a mess. I thought I wasn't recording. But yeah, I do not recommend bold hold at all. Alright, you guys, right here I'm just showing you a quick mini baby hair tutorial. All I'm doing is taking out my baby hairs in the places that I will normally lay them on my regular hair. And I'm just practicing just to see how it's going to look. If you feel like it's too thick, please use some tweezers and thin out the baby hairs. You do not want your baby hairs to look too thick. If it's one thing, even if your wig is thick, please tweeze your baby hairs, and that's going to make it look as natural as possible. I'm using this razor comb just to razor it out. You could use an eyebrow razor, scissors, anything. I just feel like this is like, it was just right there, so that's why I used it. So here I'm just going out, going around the hairline and taking out little parts. Most of the times I will take out a piece of hair at the top of my head, but at this time I just wanted it to have like a sleek look, and if I was to put it behind my hair, I wanted to the baby hairs to show. So here I'm just putting my hair out of the way, and I'm just showing you guys how my wig started lifting up. This is the night that I installed the wig, and this bold hold is just something else. I don't know. So I make sure I use a fine tooth comb in my got-to-be. When I'm using my got-to-be, I make sure that I put that gel at the root area, and since the wig was lifting up, I had to make sure I put it at the root area. Then I put it at the you see, and I put it at the back, and what I do is I use my opposite hand and I press it down when I smooth it with the comb. So I smooth with the comb and then I press with my finger. You can see right here. And this just helps mold it. So this is so easy for me. It makes my baby hairs last like a good 4 days. Even if I don't sleep with a bonnet, my baby hairs will last. So I feel like this is a good thing. And you don't even have to move quick with this, but you want to make sure that you're using your fingers to guide the hair so you're not making the gel turn white. So that's all I'm doing right here, is just doing the baby hairs. This is really simple, and I wanted to show you guys this method because it's convenient for me. Sorry if you're hearing any background noise. For some reason, every time I do voiceovers in the morning, people want to be doing extra stuff. But yeah, so over here I'm showing you again how I maneuver with my fingers and make sure I'm using my fingers to guide that hair and push the hair down. And basically it's your fingers that are doing the molding. So you swoop the comb and you use your fingers to mold the hair down. I hope this baby hair mini tutorial helped. I will be making a dedicated baby hair tutorial where I talk you guys through the process of like maybe with my curly hair, because with my curly hair I love some baby hairs. This one I just did like little baby hairs on the sides, but I will be doing an update real tutorial soon. Look at how big Jacob got, guys. And now he be talking, he be telling people all kind of crazy stuff. So here I'm just gonna go ahead and finish flat ironing my hair. I will play some music over this because it really was nothing going on. I was just straightening my hair. This straightener is from Ion. I am gonna try to link it below. It's my sister's, so I'm not sure. But it's a really, really good flat iron. I really like it. So I'm gonna do that. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for your support. I know I haven't been too consistent lately. I was just taking a break because I didn't want to feel like I was overworking myself or anything. So I'm back to posting regularly every day or every 2 days. And just tell me the kind of videos you guys want to see. I really love making videos like this. So yes. And I'm going to come with more informative videos where you guys can learn to do your own hair. So yeah, so here I'm just gonna play some music and I'll be right back when we're finished with this portion.
You did me wrong, Keisha. All I ever wanted was a little piece of your time. Oh, Keisha. Did me wrong now. And you know you did. I didn't make this time for us to waste it. Maybe he just made this time and gave to us to pace it. Maybe he just gave you dreams, girl, so you could chase it. Maybe he just gave you me, girl, so you ain't basic. Maybe you got some problems you need attention. Maybe you got it obvious, you got it.
Okay. Do you see how sleek this is? It's probably not even in the middle, but oh well. So I'm going to zoom the camera in so we could pay attention to my baby hairs. Let's see if we could redo them. It's already laid, but I'm just gonna fix it up a little bit. And I did pluck over here a little bit too much, if you guys can see that. But it doesn't bother me, so yeah. You see the glue peeling up? Bowl hole is actually trash, like actual trash. Cause trust me, I put these glues on too many times for it to be acting like that. And I did say I was gonna make a bowl hole update because this don't make no sense, but I just didn't have the time. I just didn't have the time to do it. Let me make sure this shit is in the middle. Okay. Do is take my Got2b gel, put it at the back of my hand. I do need a new Got2b gel though. When you put it, you're putting it on the root area, like down here, instead of putting it here. Because when you swipe your comb, it's going to go down anyways. So yeah.
Stand clear. Check for pulse. No shock advised. Analyzing now. Stand clear.